Are you looking for the best 3D printers? In this video we will look at some of the best 3D printers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Creality K1 Speedy 3D Printer. The Creality K1 Speedy 3D Printer is a cutting-edge device designed for fast and efficient 3D printing. One of its standout features is its impressive print speed of 600 mm/s, making it well suited for projects that require rapid prototyping or the quick production of 3D printed objects. This printer is equipped with a dual-gear direct extruder, enhancing the precision and reliability of the printing process. With a build volume of 220,220,250 mm, the Creality K1 Speedy offers a decent printing area, allowing users to create a variety of objects with different sizes and complexities. The dual-gear direct extruder provides a more stable and accurate filament feeding mechanism, contributing to improved print quality. Number 2. Creality K1 Max 3D Printer. The Creality K1 Max 3D Printer stands out as a powerful and efficient 3D printing device designed for high-speed and stable printing. With a remarkable printing speed of up to 600 mm/s, this printer offers rapid and precise printing capabilities, making it suitable for various applications. One of the key features of the Creality K1 Max is its stable frame, ensuring a reliable and vibration-free printing experience. The sturdy construction contributes to the overall accuracy and quality of prints, making it an excellent choice for users who prioritize precision in their 3D printing projects. Number 3. Yitomu SLA 3D Printer. The Yitomu SLA 3D Printer is a cutting-edge resin-based 3D printing machine that incorporates advanced features and precision components. Designed with a focus on high-quality output and user-friendly operation, this printer supports various resin-based printing technologies, including SLA stereolithography, LCD liquid crystal display, and DLP digital light processing. Notably, it utilizes a full aluminum CNC metal construction, enhancing durability and stability during the printing process. One standout feature of the Yitomu SLA 3D printer is its impressive 8K resolution, providing an exceptionally detailed and sharp print quality. The 10.1-inch display further contributes to a larger build volume and allows for the creation of intricate and complex designs. The UV light cure laser ensures efficient and precise resin curing, facilitating the solidification of layers with high accuracy. Number 4. FlashForge FDM 3D Printer. The FlashForge FDM 3D Printer Finder 3 is a cutting-edge 3D printing device that boasts advanced features and capabilities. Equipped with Glass 2 platforms, this printer offers a stable and reliable printing surface, ensuring precise and accurate printing results. The direct extruder support allows for increased printing flexibility, enabling users to work with a variety of filament materials, including TPU thermoplastic polyurethane. One notable feature of the FlashForge Finder 3 is its compatibility with TPU, a flexible and elastic filament, expanding the range of applications for the 3D printer. This makes it suitable for creating intricate and complex designs that require flexible materials. The inclusion of a hard nozzle capable of reaching temperatures up to 260 further enhances its versatility, allowing for compatibility with a wide range of filament types. Number 5. Creality Halide Mage Pro 3D Printer. The Creality Halide Mage Pro is a cutting-edge resin 3D printer designed to meet the demands of high-quality and high-speed 3D printing. Boasting an impressive 8K resolution on its 10.3-inch LCD screen, this printer offers exceptional precision and clarity in the printing process. The incorporation of a 4.3-inch touchscreen enhances user interaction and control, providing a seamless and user-friendly experience. One standout feature of the Halide Mage Pro is its Z-axis dual rails, a design choice that contributes to enhanced stability and accuracy during the printing process. This dual rail system ensures that the build platform moves smoothly and consistently, resulting in detailed and precise 3D prints. The emphasis on high precision is a crucial aspect for users who require intricate and finely detailed prints.